Every year, millions of tons of this spiky, alien-looking fruit are harvested in the world's tropical regions. This beverage, which is worth many times more per liter than most other fruits, undergoes an incredible journey before reaching store shelves around the globe. Almost no one has ever witnessed this journey, until now. The dragon fruit is a member of the cactus family. It requires a
This
hot,
section
humid
looks
climate
healthy.
and careful cultivation
Noting for
to
the
grow.
records,
The flowering process is extremely brief and rare. Each flower blooms for just one night and wilts before morning. If pollination does not occur during this brief window, the fruit will not form. The ripening process takes approximately 30 to 50 days. When harvest time arrives, experienced farmers inspect each fruit individually by hand. The color, firmness, and weight of the outer skin are the most reliable indicators of ripeness. An overripe fruit cannot withstand transport. An underripe fruit, however, has not yet developed its full flavor. The harvested fruits are placed in special sponge-lined crates. Each crate is weighed, labeled, and shipped to the factory while maintaining the cold chain. From this point on, the clock starts ticking. When the fruits arrive at the factory, the first stop is the quality control department.
doors
Each batch
secure,
is
temps
weighed,
holding at 8.
documented, and subjected to a visual inspection. Fruits with surface damage, signs of rot, or those below the size standard are separated at this stage. They are then sent to the first conveyor belt washing station. Powerful water jets and
Morning.
rotating brushes
Documents,
clean
please.
dust,
Here you go.
soil,
Looks
and
good.
natural
Proceed to bay
deposits
3.
from the fruit's outer surface.
Trucks backing in now.
Temperature and
All right, get ready to
pressure are
unload.
constantly monitored.
Stay clear of the
Excessive
rear.
pressure can damage the fruit's delicate skin. After washing, the fruit passes through a vibrating drainage belt. Excess water is removed, and the fruit is transported to the next stage with a shiny, clean surface. The optical sorting machine is the most technologically advanced step in this process. A laser scanning system analyzes the surface of each fruit in milliseconds. Fruits with color deviations, shape abnormalities, or surface defects are removed from the conveyor belt by a mechanical arm. Defects invisible to the human eye cannot escape this system. This is the heart of the factory, and perhaps the most impressive of the entire process. The dragon fruit enters a cutting machine. Industrial blades split the fruit in two with a single stroke. The sight that emerges in that moment is striking every time. The interior of this fruit, which looks green and ordinary from the outside, is filled with a rich, vibrant magenta color. Thousands of tiny black seeds are embedded within this pink flesh. After cutting, the peeling mechanism kicks in. The thin green peel is automatically stripped from the fruit flesh. This process requires an extremely delicate balance of pressure. Too little pressure fails to peel the skin completely, while too much pressure damages the valuable fruit flesh. The peeled skins fall into collection bins via a separate conveyor belt. These skins are not discarded at the factory. They are sent for separate processing to be used in animal feed and organic fertilizer production. The remaining dense pink flesh pieces flow into a large steel hopper for the next stage. Water makes up approximately 80% of dragon fruit pulp. This water is separated from the pulp using industrial presses. The hydraulic press slowly descends onto the basket filled with fruit. As pressure increases, dark pink raw fruit juice begins to flow out from the sides of the basket. This process takes a few minutes, and hundreds of liters of pure fruit juice are obtained with each pressing. It is important to note that the pulp remaining after pressing is not waste. This fiber-rich material is utilized in the food industry for the production of fruit puree and functional foods. The raw fruit juice accumulates in collection tanks. Its color at this stage is incredibly intense, almost an opaque magenta. A quality control specialist takes a small sample to check the color, consistency, and Brix value. The Brix value indicates the total amount of soluble solids in the fruit juice and determines the beverage's natural sugar content. In this state, the raw fruit juice is not yet ready for consumption. It may contain fruit fiber particles, natural yeast solvents, and microorganisms. The filtration unit gradually removes these particles. The first filter traps coarse fibers and seed fragments. In the second stage, membrane filters come into play. These filters remove impurities at the micron level. The juice's color lightens slightly at this stage. but retains its vibrancy. The pasteurization tunnel is the next critical step. The fruit juice is briefly exposed to temperatures between 72 and 85 degrees Celsius. This process neutralizes harmful microorganisms while largely preserving the fruit's natural color pigments and nutritional value. The pasteurized fruit juice passes through a cooling spiral and reaches the blending tank. Here, natural flavor concentrate and an electrolyte balancer are added, according to the formula. Large mixing arms gently stir the inside of the tank. The product's taste, color, and consistency take their final form at this stage. The fruit juice leaving the finished blending tank is pumped to the bottling line. Empty glass bottles are first rinsed with sterile water, then moved to the filling station. The rotary carousel filling station
Applying the
precisely
juice sample
fills
to the
hundreds of
refractometer.
bottles per minute.
The Brix
fill
reading
level
is
of each bottle
12.3.
is monitored by automatic cameras. The capping mechanism seals the bottle in a millisecond. The labeling line quickly moves the bottles to the next stage. Colorful labels are applied around the bottle using adhesive. A laser printer
Flow is
imprints the
steady,
production date and
temperature
batch number
climbing,
on each cap.
holding at 85 degrees Celsius,
Packaging
process
robots
is stable.
place the group bottles into cardboard boxes. The boxes are taped, stacked onto pallets, and wrapped in stretch film. Each pallet is barcoded and transported to the cold storage warehouse. This prickly exotic fruit, once known only in tropical countries, now graces shelves in every corner of the world. From the farmer's hands to the factory conveyor belt, from the press to the bottle. This entire journey is completed in less than 24 hours. Which factory would you like us to tour next week? Leave a comment. We'll visit the most requested one for you.
Formula confirms 70-30 mix at 22 degrees. Readings match, pressure stable. Good. Proceed with blend. Scanning now. Match confirmed. Aisle 5, bay 12.